Assalamu alaikum. Me and my friend with name is Javed Saib and Javed Khan. This is I am going this taper cutting. My Javed and me and my friend Javed Khan cutting in this taper. For I am going to my home and my colleague and cooking this taper cooking kitchen ki and cooking first I am going the puli mangi kamera wani way and this area are desert
it is fresh paper.
It is fresh taper, Shabasi. This is fresh taper and both and sweets cook are very khwagi lakada. Like so nice. So nice and me aage like zamakkim and my pasi bake. My bake is going to my friend Javed Khan. Teacher of Javed Khan and me be teacher. Yani zam teacher yam. I am teacher. My name is Etizaz. And my makhamah